So we are at the testing center for the Huga bike and the Huga Daytona. So Dave is going to walk me through the testing facilities that we have.
So we have all the machines to test different temperature and environment conditions. So this is where they have the temperature and humid machine, where you put the scooter inside. The highest temperature is 80 degrees and the lowest will be 20 degrees Celsius. So they'll be able to test the scooter will still function in such high and low temperature conditions. This is the machine where they test plastic parts, where they got UV testing. They will shine UV rays on the plastic parts to see whether if they would soften or color change, withstand the UV conditions.
Okay, so this is very important because let's say if you are using your vehicles outdoor and under the sun, we want to make sure that the parts do not change color or damage after a long period of use.
This is a machine where they test the durability of stickers and logos. High temperature or low temperature, whether they will lose its stickiness or drop off easily or deteriorate in color.
Yeah, come check this out. So right here we are testing the stickers on the RoadRunner Pro V2, whether it will stick on the panels, whether under hot temperature the sticker will lose. Even the stickers need to be tested properly so that the logos look good on your final product.
Okay, so this machine is to do a weather test on whether at cold temperature or hot temperature the battery still survives and still function properly. This is the discharge and charge machine where most factories in the most battery factories already done this so-called process, but back here at the factory, they still random pick and QC the battery packs to do the same process.
This machine also tests humidity. Where, you know, some of you stay by the coast. Let's say you are asking, hey, can the scooter, will the battery get damaged because I live by the beach, I live by the ocean. So the scooters that you are getting from us, especially the eMove series, they all went through the humidity test chamber. So those have been tested before it's even in production. So these testing machines are all in-house. That's why I think the eMove line has evolved a lot in terms of the quality a few years ago.
We are almost completing the production of the RoadRunner Pro V2. So we will be coming out with a series of videos where we will show you what the upgrade possibilities on the RoadRunner Pro you will be expecting. In this video, we will show you how to install the front turn signals, which we have actually kept for you to choose what turn signals you like. So you all have been asking why we don't have turn signals for the RoadRunner Pro V2. Actually, we do have it, but we have given this option to you to upgrade your turn signals to the choice of lights you like. So here is a short tutorial on how to install them. So this is what you need. Turn signals that has a special connection which you can buy from us in future. The nut that comes with it, 2 special spacers and a size 14 open wrench. There are 2 holes. These are actually to mount the turn signals. Put 1 spacer in, put the wire through the bigger hole, put the second spacer in, put the nut in. The spacer will actually cover the hole. Please tighten the light into the hole. Take note, For the left side, you have to use the male 2-pin connector. Look for the 2-pin small connectors. Then connect them. Do the same for the right side. Connect the other turn signal light. Now our turn signals are ready. Let me show you how they look. Right turn. Left turn. There you go. You can also choose whatever turn signals you like. As for this, we can see that the turn signal actually shows the rear, the front, more accessories you can install on your scooters, not only the VoroRunner Pro V2. In the next video, we will show you a few different handphone holders we will be releasing or we have in our inventory and install on this scooter together with the rear view mirror. Stay tuned for the next video.